cover some memory tricks for IV fluids. I'm going to tell you some tips on how to remember what types of fluids go with which type of solution. So for hypertonic solutions, we have really high numbers, 5% saline, 3% saline, 10% dextrose, and water. An easy way to remember this is to think hypertonic solution, think high solution. Now for hypotonic solutions, we see that those have lower numbers than hyper. Half normal saline, 1/3 normal saline, 1/4 normal saline. Those are much smaller numbers than hypertonic solutions. So an easy way to remember that is to think hypotonic, think low solution. Now for isotonic solutions. These you should just commit to memory because they're really commonly used. We have 0.9% sodium chloride, also called normal saline, and then we have lactated ringer. Now, there is one exception to this hyper and hypotonic memory trick. So commit this to memory. 5% dextrose in water, D5W, starts as isotonic and then changes to hypotonic. That's why here you'll see it listed under isotonic and hypotonic. Let me explain why this is. The solution in the bag is isotonic. Once infused, the body metabolizes the glucose molecules that were once causing the solution to be isotonic. Since the glucose is dissolved, it now has no solutes, making it a hypotonic solution. You can find more information about IV fluids in the Complete Nursing School bundle.